Hello, YouTube and potential new friends. Well, I'm Emily. I'm starting to vlog now, I guess. I bought a used vlogging camera, so here we go. I did record a whole thing and then realized that my mic wasn't all the way plugged in to the camera. My husband actually realized that. He was like, "Is it all the way plugged in?" And I was like, "Oh, oops." So none of it recorded, which I guess welcome to video making life. So I'm surprised he's doing so well with this. Maybe because Brandon's home, he thinks I'm talking to him. Yeah, so my goal with this is to build a community of like-minded people. You know, I just want to connect with people who also like, crocheting or cooking, gardening, all the cozy crafts. I paint as well, so that's fun. I mostly do watercolor. Sometimes I'll do like the tempera sticks. Those are really fun. That's a recent development for me. Or like, I really like the King Art gel sticks. Anyway, what we have on the agenda for today is, hi, I don't have a blankie. You want a blankie? There you go. Lay down. You want me in blankie? Okay. You're a good boy. So today I have to get rid of the pea plants because those are dead. And I don't have anything to plant there yet. So that's all I have to do in the garden really is just water them and get rid of the pea plants. Maybe not even water them. It's been pretty chilly. Not chilly, but like 70s, so it's like nice weather. It's not 90s like it has been, or like 50s. The weather's been all over the place. I was gonna get my lashes done. That was rescheduled, which is totally fine. So it's gonna be Saturday now. I'll see if I can take you guys with me for that, just for a little bit, and see so you can see what her office is like. And then I want to work on my humongous blanket that has been in the making since late April. So it's time for it to be done. I am using that to replace this blanket because this blanket is honestly like 20 years old or more. So it's time. It's time to get a new blanket, and I decided to make one because I saw this yarn on sale at Michael's. It might still be on clearance. You have to check your Michael's app. I think someone like ordered just a crap ton of it, and that's why they were clearancing it, because there were like 42 skeins of it when I went to buy it. When I went to buy it, there were only 5 on the shelf, but like the inventory said 45 or whatever, 42, 45. So I bought the 5 that were on the shelf, and I was like, maybe I can make a blanket. And then I realized I needed more yarn to like add to it because 5 isn't enough for a blanket. I want a big one that I can like wrap around me like a cocoon. So my mom donated some from her stash. And then I looked in my stash and I had like a lot of pastel like colors that could go with it. So yeah, it looks really pretty. If I do the clips I've recorded so far in order, you may have seen me working on it already. It's humongous. It's so heavy. And I love that. So yeah, that's what I'm going on for today. I might get out the sketchbook. We'll see. And I'll see you later.
Hi. So I have not been feeling well. The dog's still asleep. We took a nap, and I am gonna make some egg drop soup. Oh, excuse me, I'm kind of trying to whisper. Oh, he's up. He's gonna want to go outside, but I need to eat lunch. Can't see me anymore. Oh, he's laying down. Yay! Soup, 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 soup. As you can see, these peas are dunzo. I'm gonna start by taking out the makeshift trellis. Use these again sometime. This is my first year doing peas, and I don't know if I would do it again. Maybe. I didn't get that much because I feel like I started them kind of late. I don't remember when exactly. Whoops. March, I felt like I started them, but I tried to start them from seed, and the squirrels kept picking them up and eating them. So that was unfortunate. Even though, hi. All right, here we go. So that's all I have to do as of right now. Let me give you a tour. So we have, this is my habanero. It's really small right now. It produces habaneros are my favorite pepper. And we have some sweet peppers for my husband. He doesn't like spicy so much. They're Anaheim peppers to cook with those. My basil, that's doing well. I like that. And then strawberry mint, that's my favorite mint to make tea with. We have some cucumbers. Got a bit of a late start on those. I was waiting for my lettuce to be done. These are where the peas just were. My sad marigold. More cucumbers. These ones are, what are they? Bush pickle. Oh, nice. And then we have, this is a Thai red chili. Got all these peppers on here. That's gonna be so good. Wow. And then, oh, I guess that one's done. This is my shishito pepper. All these are coming in. I hope they get bigger. I don't know. They kind of look like they may be done growing. Like I had one that was really small, and then it shriveled up, and I was like, "Oh, were you done?" Weird. Hey, through the park. Here we are. Little man, come here. Hi. Oh my God, you're so dirty. He has not pooped yet, so he is like agitated. He's flipping out at dogs. He only does that when he has to poop. Okay, gotta go. Bye. I think he's settled down. I have to be very careful when I'm out with him, especially at this park, because don't eat anything, please. There are lots of off-leash dogs here sometimes. It seems like almost every time I come here I see an off-leash dog, and he's very like into rules. So he just doesn't like it. He doesn't like off-leash dogs. He doesn't like retractable leashes either. And he's fine. He's laying in the dirt now. He's having a good time. It's just I have to be very vigilant with him, which is okay. He's a lot better than he was. He's been doing really well, actually. Looks like the pool is open. It's a kid's pool. I wish it was like an adult pool, but no, it is like a really, it's a wading pool. Supplies. But he gets bored really quickly, so I don't know how long we're gonna sit here. Sometimes we only sit here a couple minutes, so I don't know if we'll get any sketching done. Artie! Trying to eat a wrapper off the ground, but like, what a weird face. I don't know if it's like chocolate or drugs. You don't know. Park trash. Muffin! Oh dear, he is. Look at it smile. Hello. I am back and I am very tired. I may have mentioned that I'm not feeling well today. The last couple days. That's okay. Look, I'm all pink. So this is my blanket, the huge one that we're gonna work on. I have been working on this for 25 hours maybe. I'm back. Sorry, I had to walk away because Artie was barking, and that doesn't sound very good. Okay, so he's here now. He's fine. He's just been hearing a lot of noises, and it's hard for him. So yeah, I am using a 10mm hook and double strand worsted weight yarn. So far I've used 18 skeins, and I have 2 left that I have to use. So we're in the home stretch. I think I only have a couple hours left of this. It's just so heavy. I want to show you, it's a waffle stitch blanket. Super cozy. It's gonna be good. I'm just gonna get to work on it, watch some YouTube, see how it goes. Sheepy. Okay. Sheepy man. Okay, my sheepy. Okay. You're so sleepy. You're so sleepy. Love you. Okay. I need to work on this blanket because one of these cats has been playing in it, and it's not done. See, was it you? Was it you? Was it you? I think it was the orange one, actually. I am gonna watch some YouTube and get working on it. Oh man, it's cumbersome. Come on. There you go. You sit down. There you go, Muffin. There's a good boy. Oh my gosh. Look at that guy. Look at how focused he looks. You know it was him. She loves the yarn too, but she knows. That's what I'm watching. I like this lady. I can't pronounce her name, but I like her. Look at that guy. Is it you? You rolling? Butters. I wanted to check in because I'm excited. This is all I have left for, I think it's called Sugar Mint or something from its Karen Cakes. Yeah, as I mentioned before, this was on clearance for $7 a skein. I got 5, and then I got a bunch of yarn from my mom's stash and my own stash. So after these 2 are done, the purple and the sugar mint, that should be it, and then it should put me at 20 skeins. I'll have to look at how many hours yet, but I will be back once I'm done. I'm back and it's done. This is what I have left. And I am out of the purple. The purple is donezo. So I would have to like add a new color just to use this up. And I don't want 2 more ends to weave in, just for like 1 more row. So we're calling it. So I'm just gonna try to move this. Let's see here. Coming in close so we can do this together and finish it off. I didn't look at how many hours I have. I think it was about 26, but I will give you a final count too. I just have to add it all up.
Here we go. Oh, there it is. It's done. 26 hours, maybe, maybe 27. And I've been working on it since late April. It's a long time. Hello, I'm back. So we have my husband's Spider-Man pillow. And we have Artie is taking a nap right here, and I don't want to disturb him, so I'm going to leave everything on the bed. But I am going to lay out the blanket. All right. It's hefty. Just right on top of him. Yeah, that's a nice size. I'm happy with that. It'll certainly cover me.